Libra, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong March 25 to 31, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 30% discount hanggang March 31, 2024. So, extended yung ating discount. You can book for a reading. Meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Okay, let's see, Libra. What's up? Diamond Light Activation. May mga new energies coming in your way. Be open to receive and welcome them. So, maaring mga bagong ideas, no, na may isip mo na gawin for yourself para may magbago sa'yo, may ma-improve sa'yo, no. Let's see. Spiritual maintenance, be your own caretaker. You are also going to take care of yourself spiritually. Yan ba sa inyo may mga downloads or may mga nagbabago sa inyong ideology, sa inyong belief system nowadays? Marami kayong mga natutuklasan sa inyong sarili or sa mga iba pang pinaniniwalaan yung spiritual beliefs. And also, mas bibigay ka ng oras at panahon sa sarili mo ngayon. Especially kung ikaw may mga pinagdaanang challenges in the past na ang naging focus mo lagi ibang tao. So ngayon ikaw naman, sarili mo naman. Trust, approach the situation with a light heart. So some of you are going to trust the universe. You will trust kung saang direction ka dinadala. Especially kung kayo ay nasa spiritual na aspeto ng buhay, or tipong you are spiritual healer, energy healer, spiritual teacher, or you are practicing divination. Let's see, ano pa. And also, kapag meron kayong decision making, I see you trusting in yourself, no? Magtitiwala ka sa sarili mong decision. You will not question yourself kung bakit yun yung decision mo. Kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na yun yung sinasabi ng iyong instinct. Let's see your overall energy. You have the Ace of Wands. You have the Five of Swords and the Justice card. Okay. So, some of you, kung merong mga taong may nagawang mali sa inyo, so you will be getting the justice that you deserve. Kasi meron ditong Five of Swords. Meron mga nag-take advantage sa inyong kabutihan. Yung tipong talagang sinadya nila, no, na i-take advantage yung iyong kahinaan. So, ngayon, you will be getting the justice that you deserve. Some of you also will start an exciting event in your life. So, tinan natin kung anong aspect ng life ninyo ang may new beginning. Fourth house, yung iba sa inyo sa bahay, pwedeng tirahan, lilipat kayo ng bahay, magpapagawa ng bahay, bibili ng bahay. Ayan, so you will also experience something new sa inyong home life. Yung iba, travel opportunities, pwedeng migration, no? Lilipat, pwedeng sa ibang bansa, ganon. Let's see your money, career, finances. You have the Queen of Cups, the Page of Swords, the Six of Wands, and the Queen of Swords. Okay. Leadership. Oo. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong leadership role, meron kayong mga nagawa or magagawa sa inyong trabaho na kung saan i-recognize ang inyong kakayanan, yung inyong abilities, yung talents ninyo. Some of you are also learning, no? May mga pinag-aaralan kayo, may mga nire-research kayo, may mga ini-improve kayo sa inyong sarili kasi meron kayong goal na may ma-achieve na certain position sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong career. And I see you getting that, no? May mga crowns dito no? So, it means na meron kang authority, no? Magkakaroon ka ng authority sa trabaho. Pwedeng kung ikaw ay manager na ngayon, mas tataas pa ang iyong ranggo, no? Mas tataas pa yung position mo. For some of you naman, may i-offer sa inyong leadership position. May awards, o yung iba attend ng mga awarding ceremony, kasi matagal na kayo sa trabaho ninyo, like 20 years, 15 years. Challenge yourself to do what you think you can't. Ito yung pagtatanggal mo ng limitasyon sa sarili mo kasi alam mo na marami ka pang kayang gawin. Oo, so mas i-challenge mo yung sarili mo. Treat yourself with proper care as you achieve your dreams. You are worthy to be loved. Bring out the child in you and enjoy the good things in life. So I think itong nurture energy is to take care of yourself. Kasi kapag ikaw ay in a healthy state of mind, marami kang mga fresh ideas na pwede mong subukan, no? Maaari ring mga solution sa mga existing problems mo na. So that's why it is important na you take care of yourself. So I think part of this is the spiritual maintenance, na kumbaga yung iyong soul, no, is about to be taken cared of. Yung tipong you will have meditation, prayers, kumbaga may mga activities ka na gagawin para distress or magtanggal ng nega energies around you to ground yourself. Mishaps. So there are some minor mishaps, but it is only asking you to review your work and see what you have missed out. Yes, mistakes teach us lessons. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring magkaroon ng challenging situation sa trabaho, sa career ninyo. Pero part yan ng learning process. Okay? Kaya nga yung iba sa inyo, meron pa kayong pag-aaralan para mas ma-improve nyo yung sarili nyo at maiwasan nyo na itong mga mistakes na to. Okay? Let's see your love life. Love life ng mga Libra. You have the Hanged Man. Okay. 7 of Cups. Meron ditong gulong-gulo, litong-lito. Oh my God. Yung iba sa inyo, may ginost. Yung tipong, pwedeng ikaw yung ng ghost or ikaw yung na-ghost. Kasi, meron dito na hindi nagpaparamdam na sa inyo. Parang biglang nawalang parang bula, no? So, ngayon ako-confuse ka sa person na to if this person has feelings for you or kung may patutunguhan ba tong relationship na to. Pero, yung iba sa inyo naghihintay. Oo. Parang iniisip niyo na baka babalik pa siya. But, kung iniisip niyo na babalik pa siya, I don't see this happening anytime soon. Oo. May possibility. Pwede, meron, pero very, maliit lang yung posibilidad na babalik tong person na to or magpaparamdam to. Ito yung tipong nagpa-fall lang tapos biglang nawala. Oo. So, maaring itong person na to that you are dealing with is confused. Naguguluhan siya, nalilito siya sa totoo niyang nararamdaman. Or pwedeng ikaw rin to, na kung ikaw yung ghost sa person mo, nalilito ka. Hindi ka sigurado sa taong to. Pwedeng meron kang trust issues, kaya iniwasan mo na. Let's see what else. Transform. Ayan, may iba ka kasing options available. So, yung iba sa inyo, kung merong ng ghost na person sa inyo, possible na itong person na to ay may iba pang options, may iba pang kausap. Alam mo yun, mahirap kasi pag baka meron ditong ginagawang rebound or panakip butas. Pwede rin namang reversal yung roles. Ikaw yung, merong kakonect na ginost mo kasi bumalik si ex, yung mga gano'n. O stalking, meron ditong inaalam kung ano nangyari dun sa person na ng ghost kung kumusta na siya. Oo, I feel like tinitrace mo kung ano nangyari sa kanya. Yung iba sa inyo may mga dummy accounts pang stock ng inyong person. Okay. But, yeah, like what I mentioned kanina, I don't see this na magpapakita sa'yo anytime soon. Malabo. So, authenticity, being true to yourself. Live life for you, not the audience in your head. Yes. So, like what I mentioned kanina, focus ka sa sarili mo. Yung mga gagawin mong actions is about nurturing yourself, taking care of yourself, pag-aalaga sa yung sarili. At pagiging totoo sa sarili, yung gusto mo talaga. Wow, may success, oh. Today is a really good day. You're in the flow. Problems are solved quickly and easily. Helpful people show up for you. And unexpected gifts fall into your lap. So, like what I mentioned kanina, ito yung pagkakaroon mo ng fresh ideas, no? Maaring makakaisip ka ng mga solusyon sa mga existing problems mo. Okay? So, nasosolve na yan. So, there's going to be success ngayong week na to for you, Libra. So, that is your reading. Thank you so much. Bye!